Harihi Om. My dear holy souls, this is Mata Anantananda, Sri Sadguru Shivarama Avadhuta Ashramam, Kamvaram village, Kurnool district, Andhra Pradesh state, from Bharat, that is India. Under the caption of wonderful Indian folk stories, we are enjoying some tasteful, wonderful, thrillful and adventurous stories of Bhatti and Vikramaditya, the ancient historical personalities of ancient India. In that series of videos, this is 72nd one, narrated The Secret Revealed by Kali. The story told by Pillow out of 5 parts, this is the 4th part. Main incidents in the story are the inquiry of Prince Madanasekhara of midwife, and then all of them had gone to the temple of Mother Goddess Kali. She revealed the secret behind. The outcoming skills from this story are: this story induces devotional nature in us to clarify doubts, how much clarity we must have, how sharp we have to think. Such features of this story mesmerize us. The remaining story, let us enjoy in the video. And to get the sequence, I request you to watch the previous video. Okay, let me continue. After inquiring the prostitute Chitravalli, the Prince Madanasekhara wanted to inquire about the midwife, because what she had done with the newborn male child. Did she killed him or left him? Then he inquired Chitravalli, oh my dear prostitute lady, you are the best in the citizens. Now let me know, who is that midwife who had attended the delivery of this lady? She seems to my mother. Then Chitravalli, with obediently, she told, yes, my dear Majesty, she is still alive, but got very old. Then Prince Madanasekhara, he felt very happy, and after seeking the permission from the king Gandeswara, he summoned it to the midwife. By taking summons, by watching the soldiers herself, the midwife frightened like anything. But anyway, she approached the royal court, and though she was very old, but she could recognize Chitravalli as well, Apurupa Sundari also. Then she turned towards the king Gandeswara and the prince Madanasekhara, and she put namaskar to them. And with sweet and cordial voice, the prince Madanasekhara said to the midwife, oh my dear mother midwife, I want to know the truth. That's why I request you, don't hide anything. 20 years back, I heard that you had attended the delivery of this woman. As per the report of prostitute Chitravalli, she said that this lady had given birth to a boy, a male child, and she told me that she had ordered you, after bribing you, she ordered to kill that guy. Now we want to know, what happened to that male child? Did you kill him or leave him anywhere? Let me know the truth. Then the midwife, she prayed in mind to God, and then said with obedience voice, oh great king, my dear majesty, yes, I remember the incident. That day, this prostitute woman had given much more money to me and ordered me to kill the boy, because the prostitutes, they are interested to keep up the female child, but they don't like to keep the male, because they are not suitable for their profession. That's why. So she ordered me to kill the boy. I took the boy and I left the home, but on the way when I watch the face of the newborn baby, it looks like thousands of sun, brightful and with cuteness and with a graceful smile. After watching the face of that newborn baby, I didn't want to kill him. My mind was not for that, so that I gave up the idea. And then I thought, who will report to the prostitute Chitravalli? How could she notice what I had done to this boy? I thought like that. That's why I had gone to the Kali temple and I kept the baby in between the snake pit and the banyan tree. In between those, in that place, I kept the boy and I took the money and I left the place. I reached my home. Till date, I didn't know what happened to that. But Chitravalli also didn't ask me. That's why I thought that the secret didn't reveal to Chitravalli. That's why I felt safe and I led the life like that. She told like that. And she continued, please forgive me because I have done a sin. Then the prince Madanasekhara said, oh no mother, you have given life to me. And you have done favor to the king also, as well as myself and to my mother also. He said like that and asked the king Gandheswara to reward them. And Gandheswara had rewarded with huge money to midwife and the prostitute also. And then Madanasekhara said, oh my dear king, my father, now we must get the clarity whether the child who born to this lady is myself or not, because the midwife is reporting that she had left the child in between the snake pit and the tree, but you have collected me at the foot of Mother Goddess Kali. Let us have the clarity. The only source we have is the Mother Goddess Kali only. So let us go to the temple. Then all of the people there with curiosity, the public also, the king, his wives and his subordinates and his ministers and all his personal crew, along with Chitravalli and Apurupa Sundari and Madanasekhara, all the group had approached to the temple. First they had performed their devotion at the snake pit, in which the 5-hood snake was living. And then they have approached to the temple of Mother Goddess Kali. By that time, the 5-hood snake had approached the idol of Mother Goddess Kali, and it had opened its hooves and was laid there. And then Madanasekhara and Gandheshwara, all of the group, they put namaskar to Goddess Kali and they performed puja. And then Madanasekhara said, oh Mother Goddess Kali, let me know the birth secret of myself. My father, the King Gandheshwara, he is saying that he had collected me from your foot. And this midwife, she is saying that she had left the newborn baby in between the snake pit and the tree, which was born to the lady who was standing beside me. And I suspect that she is my own mother. Please let me know the truth. And the king Gandheshwara and Apurupa Sundari also, they prayed the goddess Kali in their minds. And then the snake with brightfulness. And with the brightfulness in the face of the idol Mother Goddess Kali, they heard like this. Goddess Kali said, oh King Gandheshwara, it is true. Madanasekhara, please listen my words. Yes, you are the son of Apurupa Sundari and Apurupa Sundara, the son of King Gandheshwara. Yes, Gandheshwara, because to facilitate your son and daughter-in-law, you kept them in the 7-storied building with 7 compound walls. But who can skip the fate Actually, what happened, on the full moon day, your son and your daughter-in-law had slept on the terrace of that building. On that day, seven divine dancing ladies have came to earth to have holy bath in the lake just at a distance of your city, Chandragiri. While going back, they had seen your newly wed couple. They were got lust on Apurupa Sundara, so that they had taken him to the heaven, and they were enjoying with him on each and every day with one of the dancing lady. Like that, some days happened. Then they thought that about his wife, so that they have given Amrita to Apurupa Sundara and Apurupa Sundari also. And on each and every eighth day, they used to get him to the earth, and they used to leave him on her bed directly, and before sunrise they used to take him back. That's why your servant maids, nobody could recognize his arrival and his dispatch, but disperse. But Apurupa Sundari, because of Amrita and because of semi-consciousness which was made by seven divine dancing ladies, that's why she could think that she got such a sweet dream and had enjoyed with her own husband, like that. And but your servant maids suspected the truth, your washing woman also. But after few months she got pregnancy. By suspecting her character, you punished her by leaving her in the forest. And you know about the story of this prostitute, how she could protected her. That's why you missed the life, she told like that. Gandeswara felt very happy and as well as very grievance also, because he came to know that his son was alive and he was in divine in the heaven. That's why he felt happy. But he missed him, and his daughter-in-law faced so many difficulties due to his missing. That's why he felt very grievance. Then they prayed to Mother Goddess Kali. Oh Mother, please save us, please protect us, please give the boon that we want to get back my son Apurupa Sundara. Gandeswara asked like that. And Apurupa Sundari and Madana Shekhara also prayed like that to the Mother Goddess Kali. And with a beautiful smile, she said, yes, there is a way. What she'll say and how they can get back of their dear person Apurupa Sundara, let us enjoy in the coming up video. Harihi Om. Thank you for watching.